Hey friends, this is Sitli here. Today we are going to cook pan-seared chicken. I recently liked this dish because it's tender, fragrant with light spices and palate cleansing. These are the ingredients we will be using for preparing this dish today. I've already cut and prepared some of the ingredients as you can see over here. We have with us 2 chicken breasts seasoned with salt and pepper, some finely sliced capsicum cut lengthwise, thin strips of carrots cut lengthwise, some chopped green beans purchased from the local market. I'm using fresh ones, roughly sliced onions. These are the red onions purchased from local markets. We will be also using some green chilies dipped in dark soya sauce. We'll add 2 teaspoons of butter to the hot wok and let it melt. We'll add now the sliced vegetables one by one. First the carrots. Let them settle in. Then the beans, and then we are going to add the capsicum slices. We can add some yellow capsicum along with it to make the veggies appear a little bit colorful and appealing. We add a pinch of salt and give the vegetables a good shake and let them shallow fry for 2 minutes with the lid on. Now we'll add 1.5 cup of vegetable stock to the vegetables getting fried in the wok, and put the lid on to let the vegetables simmer for another 2 minutes. Put the gas off now and let the vegetables cool down a bit. We are going to strain them to separate the stock, which we are going to use later on to prepare the rest of the dish. You can see the dark color of the stock. It's due to the soya sauce which I've added to the vegetables. Let's add some butter in the yolk and let it melt. We'll fry our chopped onions in it now and add some salt with it along with some lemon pepper till they become tender and scarlet, a little bit golden in color also. We'll keep them aside in a bowl to be later on used on a dish. Now let's put our attention to the chicken. We'll sear it in a frying pan with some olive oil. You can see the chicken pieces well marinated with the spices. We'll press them down a little while searing them so that the juices of the chicken get sealed in the pieces completely, and that's what's called searing of the chicken. Flip them over to press the other side too in the same way. You'll find the golden color has come onto the chicken, and now it's almost ready for our final step. We'll beat some fresh plain yogurt in a bowl with a pinch of salt and then add the half of the fried onions to it and mix them well to form a smooth batter. We'll now prepare a sauce for a chicken. We'll add green chilies along with the dark soya sauce with some vegetable stock and put the lid on. We'll let the chicken get settled in the sauce for 2 minutes. We'll take a knife and pierce the chicken breasts to see whether they are cooked or not. Now it's time to add our yogurt and onions to the chicken. We'll toss and turn the chicken in the yogurt and the onion mixture after adding it to the chicken for 2 minutes before serving the chicken. For serving the chicken, we'll prepare a bed of fried vegetables and put the chicken onto it, and then we'll add the leftover sauce in the frying pan over the chicken and garnish the dish with a dollop of fresh yogurt. It's now ready to tickle our taste buds. Hope to see you all with another palatable kitchen story. Till then, goodbye.